So these don't require properties. We'll do some properties tomorrow maybe, but I think we're going to have a test, like a little quiz on Friday to close this out, what we've done so far, so we might not even get to it. But we'll do those when we get back. But these don't need properties. So if log base 9 of this mess equals log base 9 of this mess, what do you know about the messes?
Oh,
They must be equal to each other. So we've got
that's a tough one.
negative 2x minus 10 equals negative 3x minus 10. So the first thing I do is move all the x's to the left. When I move this guy to the left, I get plain x, because negative 2 plus 3 is plain x. And when I move the 10 to the right, I get 0. When you get your answer, you have got to plug it into here. Because if the result is a negative number when you plug it in, the answer can be negative, but as long as it makes the result positive, it's okay. But if it's a negative number, remember we talked yesterday, there is no exponent you can put on a 9 to make it negative? So look what happens here when I have negative 2 times 0 minus 10 equals negative 10. Since that's a negative number, it is no solution. So same story, if log base 3 of the first mess equals log base 3 of the second mess, we have 3 minus 3b equals 4 minus 2b. So when I add 2b to the left side, you get negative b, and when I subtract 3 from the left and right side, I get equals 1. So b equals negative 1, right? But we have to plug in and make sure we don't get any negative numbers. Well, what is 3 minus 3 times negative 1 is 6, that's positive. And 4 minus 2 times negative 1 is also 6. So that answer is good.